Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best skincare products and give you an honest review. Today, we're diving into one of the best snail creams on the market right now, the ITSDAWN Snail Mucin 92% Repair Cream. If you're looking for a product that combines deep hydration, skin repair, and a radiant complexion, then this cream is definitely something you need to try. Let's talk about what makes this Snail Mucin cream stand out. First off, it has an impressive 92% snail secretion filtrate. This high concentration is packed with nutrients that help restore and rejuvenate the skin. If you have dry or sensitive skin, this cream is a game changer. The powerful formula hydrates the skin while improving its texture, making it feel softer, smoother, and more youthful. One of the best things about this Snail Mucin cream is its ability to create a protective barrier on your skin. This barrier locks in moisture, giving your skin the hydration it needs without leaving it greasy. It's a lightweight formula that absorbs quickly, so you won't have to worry about it feeling heavy or sticky. Now, I know you might be wondering about the ethical side of Snail Mucin. Rest assured, the mucin is harvested in an environmentally friendly way, ensuring that no harm comes to the snails. This makes the product not only effective but also cruelty-free and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The cream is designed for both morning and evening use. Simply apply a small amount to your face and neck, gently massaging it in using circular motions. A little goes a long way, so you can get multiple uses out of just one container. You'll notice that your skin feels nourished and hydrated, and after regular use, you'll start to see a more radiant and youthful complexion. So, if you're tired of dealing with dry, irritated skin and want to restore your skin's natural glow, the ITSDAWN Snail Mucin 92% Repair Cream is definitely worth considering. With its deep moisturizing and skin repairing properties, it's one of the best snail creams you can find on the market. Give it a try, and your skin will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare reviews here on Product Critique.